Like my car in Driving Empire. I just got it. It is brand new. I have drove it, and this thing is fast. Just to tell you, and that is not a dent. So yeah, this is one of the best cars I've had. Actually, I just sold my Ferrari for $97,000. This is all I could get. So yeah, I'm gonna actually close this door. So it's the interior. It's pretty dang nice. Wanna hear the engine? Let's go. You guys want to go to my house? I'll show you. My house is big-ish. Okay, this car is not that. Okay, I can't even get off there now. Imagine if that was a sign there in my car. Yeah, I'm gonna fix it up tomorrow. In the game. Tomorrow in the game. I don't think this one might be working. Whoa, hold up there, partner. Yeah, I'm just gonna park real quick. Yeah. This kind of looks like a bug. This is my house. Pretty nice, not gonna lie. One of the nicest houses I've ever had. It's pretty dang nice, not gonna lie. Have you seen those counters? They're beautiful. Stairs, they go up and they go right around there. That is my master bedroom. One of the best bedrooms in the house. You could already guess what this is. Yeah. And you could already guess what this is. I don't know. I thought it was a closet. But besides the whole house, it's good. So yeah. Comment below if you want me to drive the car again. I'm gonna go tell the car we're done. Hey car. Car. Oh, I forgot he's in front. I'm just gonna start it for you real quick. Have a good time. See? Bing bing. Let's speed for you. We're in a speed as we end the video. Oh, this is pretty nice house. I don't think we're actually going to end the video here. Wow. I want to pull up to the house. Looks like there's a little car show coming here. Yeah, I think she... Yeah, this guy's in Turtle Park. Wow. Wow. Move my McLaren. New. New. No. You cray? No, you cray? You cray, man? Wait, who's even driving the fucking car? Yeah. Who's even driving that car? You guys saw that, right? Where did the car even go? Okay, I'm gonna close my door because I'm just wasting something that you guys wouldn't understand except your boy. Because all of us know that. Okay. Let's take off. No way. Is that a Bugatti? Dude, my house is all the way the fuck over here. This is my house? This is my house, right? Oh, imagine I just deleted my house. Dude, I'm going freaking fast. Yeah, all of a sudden they just pull up in a Mercedes or something. Like, no, I think that's a Rolls Royce. Yo, there's Bugattis here. What? Yeah, I'm gonna have to pull up again. Yeah, they know I'm pulling up now. Damn. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. I'm just gonna dance in the corner. Bam, 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 bam. Yeah, this might be one of the longest videos I've ever done. Nah. Dude, can you fuck off? Dude, I don't think these people know who I am. And what the? No, I need you. That's your car? Dude, I think we might be on a trail right now, Mo. Okay, let me just start my car up. Watch this. I'm gonna flex on all the haters. I'm driving with doors. Oh, come on. I wanted to do Joy Shadow. It's like we're blasting off. Oh, I forgot. I'm not that fast. Oh, we got the Popo. Ooh, I think I might just get pulled over. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. God. Kidding me. Well, I'm going to end this video here. I know I said this is probably going to be one of the longest videos ever. But, yeah, I'm just going to end it here. Hope you guys have a good night. Bye.